Hello, everyone. It's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Target. And today, we are going to review the latest Viva Max original movie, Daddy Sitter. Yeah, Daddy's gonna buy some toys. Daddy's gonna massage you. Daddy mommy that, mommy this, mommy that. Well, guess what? Daddy's back. Yeah, si Randy Orton. Daddy's gonna buy some toys. Ooh, oh, yes, Daddy. Okay, anyway, yeah, but enough talk with the Daddy. Oh, and the Mint Picker is coming back to stream tomorrow, 8 a.m. EST. Yeah. Anyway, if you want more of your bold review, I want you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your Fridays with Viva Max action only on the Viva Max. I was supposed to say Viva Max Jesus, pero sabihin na natin Viva Max Manalo himself, Harriet. And also, I just want to shout out someone that I've met earlier this morning. So, by experience ko kanina kasi medyo malakas yung ulan at para nangangamba ako na hindi ako makakaabot na sumamba mamaya kaninang alas 6 ng umaga. Ang hirap makabook ng Grab noon and fortunately there is may tumanggap. So I want to shout out Stephen Santos for driving me from my office to the lokal ng Guadalupe, Iglesia ni Cristo, in under 15 minutes. Yeah, Mandaluyong to Makati, pre. Nagawa niya. And hats off to you. Salute tayo dyan. You deserve a shout out. Pinag-star rin kita sa Grab application. Okay, enough about that. Sige, nagpasalamat na tayo. We are going to talk about Daddy Sitter. So Daddy Sitter is a movie starring Apple D. Who is known in the movie Tuhog, Punit na Langit, Balin sa Sayaw. I think siya yung sa Balin sa Sayaw, di ba? Oo, kasama si Aiko Garcia. And Armani Hector, the one from Top One, si Dex. Also, we got Emil Sandoval, Mia Cruz, Tom Samonte, and Eileen Velasco. Okay, so who are the persons involved? Uh, so si Apple D ay si Mara. Execute the Mara Stock! Siya ay isang babae siya ay isang ate na Makati. Sa umpisa pa lang, nakikipag-commute siya sa lalaki, habang yung kanyang kapatid na si ah, Ethan, nagtitinda ng siomay na kung tawagin ay wrap sa siomay kasi masarap daw. So, nalaman natin yung kasamang lalaki ni Mara ay may asawa at wala trabaho itong si Mara kasi yung kanyang kapatid na si Ethan nagnanakaw ng pera sa mga kinakanya niyang babae. Yung ninanakaw pala ni Ethan, ginagamit niya for tuition fee. Ethan ba? Or Tom? Oo. Tama, Ethan. Played by Tom Samonte. Yun. Isa sa mga kinakanyod ni Ethan ay itong si Ella, who is also a student. And they produce one of the hottest. It's a hot scene. So, I want more Eileen Velasco. Alam ko magka-apelido kami. This is not nepotism. I see talent. I know talent when I see one. Put Eileen Velasco on more movies. Please, please. Teka, tingnan ko muna yung Instagram. Di ko masyadong nakita yung mukha niya eh. Baka siya yung isa sa ano eh, no? Yung sa cheaters. Baka mamaya matulad siya dun sa cheaters, yung ano yung one time, big time lang. Wala siyang Instagram. Eh, sayang. Tingnan nga. Hanapin pa natin, Daddy Sitter. Pag ito nakita natin, tingnan natin ha. Ryan Bonesoft. What the H? What am I seeing? What am I seeing here? Well, anyway, yan. So, namasukan bilang caregiver itong si Mara under kay Ryan, played by Emil Sandoval. I've seen him before, pero di ko maturo saan eh. And yung caregiver na binibigay niya ay kakaiba. Ah, ito ay referral sa kanya ni Mia Cruz na isa ring caregiver na nakipagkanyod rin sa isang matandang lalaki, ang kanyang daddy na muntik nang atakihin sa puso. Parang si Alan Paul sa Late Lovely Ladies Dormitory. Okay, so yan lagi. So may relasyon na itong si Ryan sa si Mara. May anak si Ryan, si Joseph, at nakilala to ni Mara sa bar, na, pero di niya alam na anak pala to ni Ryan. At nagtalik sila. And ito si Joseph, he is like, parang kaugali niya si David Dimage ba? Magkaugali sila ni David. Ayaw niya maniwala. Yung kanyang way ng pananalita, ito si David ginagaya ni, ano, ni Armani Hector dito eh. Although he is much crazier. Like, uh, cringe crazier. Okay, so itong si Joseph, medyo siraulo, kaya gusto patanggal ng mana ng papa niya. And ang gagawin ni Joseph, binablockmail niya tong si Mara na makipagtalik sa kanya para patayin ni Mara ang kanyang tatay. At yung pagkatalik nila ay ginawa yung video. Ito yung pinang-blackmail niya. So it's the old, may video ako na pagkatalik natin, gawin mo, magagawin ko. We have seen this several times. There was the league, di ba? There, Ngunit na langit, tapos dito. Many times, yung sa yung siya, yung kay Felix Rocco, yung huli niyang pelikula. May ganun din, video rin. Nakaka, eh. Ito yung, tried and true formula ng Viva Max. Mag-video mo yung sarili mo, naging magtalik, tapos ba-blackmailin mo yung babae. Nakakasawa na yung plot na yan, ha? Okay. So, pero imbes na bawiin yung cellphone tulad naman nangyayari dito, o ma-fall in love na lang dun sa blackmail, umamin itong si Mara kay Ryan na nakipagtalik nga sila ni Joseph at hindi tuloy nalason. Nagkaroon ng acting-acting, so pineke ni Mara na nilalason niya itong si Ryan. Tapos si Joseph, akala niya nalason tatay niya. He came out and monologue. Yeah, he actually monologue. Like, ha 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 ha! He's like Mandark. Yung tawa niya, ha ha ha! Yes! Sa akin ang mana. Tapos, hinuli siya ng mga police. Set up pala, may CCTV, binabantayan siya. And the movie ends with Ryan dying in the future. Pero nalaman natin, nagkatuluyan sila ni Mara at napunta ang will and testament ni Ryan kay Mara. At yumaman bigla si Mara. Instant yaman. Money wins. Yan lang. Yeah, that's my review of Daddy Sitter. It's kinda mid. I guess it's a track. I'm tired of those stuff na, ay, bibidyoin ko yung ano. I think that's gonna be a minus point sa tier list pag nakita ko na yun. Also one of weakest movies. She had a slew of strong performances, but this ain't it. I highly suggest na sino yun? Si Velasco yung mas maganda. And she should stay. Sana di one time, hindi tulad doon sa cheaters na nawala bigla. Okay, so let's go. Daddy Sitter, Armani Hector, Emil Sandoval. I also don't like old people having sex with younger people. I'm just gonna go put Daddy Sitter into a hard pass category. Yeah, I just don't feel it. It's a tired formula of blackmailing using a phone that you video during sex, and I don't like the fact na may mga old people dito na nagipagtalik. So yeah, hard pass. Sorry. That's we've, this is the first hard pass since Star Dancer. So the quality of Viva Max movies were actually good in 2024. Well, except for Dirty Ice Cream or Maliko. Tuhog is actually weak. Well, it is what it is. Okay, let's go towards the next slew of Viva Max movies. We got Package Deal. I believe Package Deal is this Friday. Wala tayong Tuesday release, no? Tingnan ko lang. Yeah, Package Deal will be on Friday. And then followed by Backrider. And exciting tayo. It's Tuesday. We got also the next big thing daw si Athena Red for ang Pintor at ang Paraluman. Yeah. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, telling you goodbye and good night. Bang!